The purpose remains the same: to create a secure, sovereign, and future-ready digital backbone for Nepal. Establish Nepal as a trusted digital infrastructure hub in South Asia while maintaining Nepal's data sovereignty and security. This is a historic day for all of us here at Bichuten Data Vault, Vividian Technologies, Google Cloud, AMD and Micron. So really appreciate all of your presence. What we'll do right now is we'll take you through a quick presentation on what this project is all about and what the future holds for all of us here in Nepal. So by the way, why the name Bichuten? I think a lot of you might have already understood the meaning of the name. So this is a Japanese Buddhist term for Lord Vishnu. And like Lord Vishnu is the protector of the world, we believe on behalf of his name, he's going to protect the data of Nepal. About Bichuten Data Vault, it's a Nepalese-based, proudly Nepali-based company building tier-grade, world-class digital infrastructure with global partners, developing hyperscale, geo-distributed, secure, and compliant data center, enabling sovereign control with in-country data residency, driving Nepal's digital economy and data sovereignty, and finally, leverage Nepal's diverse renewable energy resources for efficient DC operations. So a quick view on the vision, mission, and values. Our vision: establish Nepal as a trusted digital infrastructure hub in South Asia while maintaining Nepal's data sovereignty and security. What is the mission? Deliver secure, scalable infrastructure with control, compliance, and high performance. And finally, what is the core value? So we are sure. So the core values that we have today is sure. S is for secure, compliant, and future ready. U is utilizing Nepal's renewable natural resources. R, reliable and operational excellence. And E for enhanced data integrity and responsible governance. You are being sure about your data, and that is our core value. The leadership, I think all of you met the brains behind this. I think the leaders that you see on the slide, Naveen Agarwal,